Okay, so here slab continues, and there is internal slab inside, and there is about 30 mil cavity. So you can see it from here, cavity. So this is lead flushing, and this what appears to be damp proof, I guess, damp proof. The membrane here is stopping on this edge, so there is no waterproofing inside, so the water basically is running down. It's running down and it's hitting this double metal sheets they put in there. Double, so you put one there. This is the mortar joint. Yeah, it's a mortar joint, and they put another one on top. You can see it, it's all corroding. And then water basically trickling, following under the awning and going inside the unit. Okay, and you can see the membrane, how it's bubbling all. It's a terrible job. Yeah.
I'm a civil engineering student in my third year. I study in the UK. I'm doing a year abroad here. It seems initially kind of completely unrelated, but we're kind of learning more and more about how the water in the system flows and where it's going.
Did you learn something today?
Yeah, absolutely. It's very difficult to understand why these water problems are occurring. So you have to come up with very complicated solutions to work out where the problems may lie.
Do you think maybe when you finish your studies you become a waterproofing consultant?
Oh, absolutely. Yeah.
Excellent. Thank you very much. Okay, good afternoon. How you doing?
Good, mate.
Thanks for helping us today. We sort of came up to find the issues with water ingress in a lot of different locations. Your help is outstanding.
Thanks, mate. That's been a very challenging job, this one. We had to find a few leaks, flooding the boxes, the balcony, moving some bricks, trying to figure out where these leaks are coming from. So I think overall we've achieved what we needed to achieve, come up with some good outcomes with yourself. So it's just now time to get the design done and start building and fixing the issues.
Thank you very much, mate.
No worries.
Cheers,
Thanks.
mate.
Have a good one.